Little bird, have you got a key? Unlock the lock inside of me. Little bird, have you got a key?
This is good. Definitely happy with the change of plans. Happy that we are spending a little bit more time staying here. We may actually stay a third night. The drive around the exterior is far more brutal than I expected. Like, it's just gravel roads and like 6 or 7 days in the car with that many people and trying to stay organized. At the end of the trip, we would have accomplished driving around it, but not any of the actual experience of being anywhere new, and that's not what we're going for. So, happy we made a change up. Internet creeps, me and my bestie are gonna have a goddamn hot tub dip. And I got my goddamn clickbait. Go ahead and dump them out, Chrisser.
Just post a picture of me all bloated and disgusting.
Oh yeah, I'm sure.
Just what?
Just so we're clear, your picture of bloated, disgusting.
Just like
yes. Blech.
Have you got a key? Unlock the lock inside of me.
Yeah. That's exciting.
oh my god! Oh my god!
Whoa! Ah. Whew. Whew. Oh, that's bad.
Wait, I thought you were gonna hang out.
Yeah. Change of plan. That's cold. It's not any warmer that time. That's fucking real cold. It's way colder than Hathor's pool. I tried to relax that time and like calm and catch my breath and just be in the cold. Holy shit. So it seems hot tub time is just about finished for the morning because it's almost noon. And that's how things work here. I think we're gonna climb that way and make our way. Got coffee in us. Maybe find a little cafe here in town, get a little sustenance. And then up, and hopefully that doesn't wreck my fucking knee, but it might. What are you gonna do? Live your life. This is as good of weather as we've had the whole trip, and it's gonna vary. It's gonna vary. Pack jackets if you're in Iceland. Don't try to come out in shorts and a t-shirt because it was nice for 20 seconds.
But it feels like so good to have the, the little guns.
Did you get stung by bees?
Food share. I'm such a food share.
I am too.
I'm like, try this, try this.
A little bit of everything. Same
yeah.
way.
Oh, fuck shit.
Ben and I strategize our food.
Enjoying this nice, cold
This fucking clown
Coca-Cola.
using a GoPro drone. Some type of goddamn amateur hour shit. Probably
Not
crash
sponsored
into
by
the earth.
Coca-Cola.
It's that neighborhood hike life.
Smeared black ink.
So kind of part of the new adventure and like weight loss and kind of changing directions of stuff is being able to do more of this type of stuff out of the gym, and stronger life's a better one. And I don't get to do uphill hikes or any of these type of things unless I have a certain level of fitness and strength. And even injured right now and borrowing Nick's Sticks, it's his new company, trademark. I get to do this and I get to share it with my friends and people I love, and kind of the strong life we want to all enjoy, right? So get out and do more, be out of the gym and actually use the strength and fitness that you've got.
We're popping shirts off.
Going right? Okay.
Aight. Flexed as I walked by, whatever.
Sounds like a computer program.
Hey kid, I'm a computer. It sounds like an old modem.
Stop all the downloading.
Just an old modem bird. That's what they call them here in Iceland. I only like things This is a cool city. I'd probably get super bored here really fast. But for right now, totally into it. Woo!
Etiquette 101, you pee on rocks.
I peed on a rock yesterday.
I just want you to know that you don't get to fucking tell me what I piss on.
I'm just saying.
That's mine now.
Why would you pee on a rock? Because it keeps it out of like all the vegetation, everything.
I always dig a hole.
They teach you the second you get to Glacier National Park, like Yosemite or anywhere, you have to watch it.
Piss and sweet rock. Alright.
I am finally seeing I was the one worth leaving. I was the one worth leaving.
How you feeling?
Alright. Be fucking in a lot of pain later, but we made it, right? This is all what it's worth. I'm good with it. Pretty rad.
What are you doing?
Huh?
What are you doing?
I'm gonna take my clothes off to make good Instagram.
You get naked?
Yeah.
Fully?
Yeah. Taking a photo. My bare ass facing the fjords. Right? Damn right it is.
Seems so out of context in this gaudy apartment complex. A stranger with your door creaked, explaining that I'm just visiting. I am finally seeing what I was the one worth leaving.
It's a long joke. Cool. This is cool stuff.
The bars turn out their lights and send the auto swerving into the loneliest evening. I am finally seeing where I was the one worth leaving. Where I was the one worth leaving. Where I was the one worth leaving. The one worth leaving. The one worth leaving.
So, knocked out, I don't know how far it is. It's a big hike. We did it. And I had to get my wife to come save me at the end of it because I'm basically crippled now with my knee. I'm gonna retreat to the hot tub. She was even awesome enough to beat me down, get the car, get my shorts, and then I'm gonna lay in the hot tub like a big old lump of shit. Now is the important part of the film. We get back in the hot tub after the hike. And then we're gonna watch Matt eat pain meds and drink to make his knee not hurt so he can sleep good. It feels better tomorrow. Definitely blew the knee up. Just swelling and pissed. And coming down that mountain was way, way worse than going up. I had to basically do a lot of it going backwards, as you saw. I think I'm gonna get back in the cold. Or maybe like just lay my fat ass off the side of that block so that my legs get in the water. That I think I can handle for a longer amount of time and actually get some cold water function out of it. Oh, I think it's awesome here. I think we're gonna stay a third night here. Holy shit! I can't. Hot tub was fucking excellent. My knee back in. Look, it's 60-40 hot tub, Percocets of cold water. But I'm not a rocket doctor, but I know pizza will fix the rest. So go get pizza now. Knee is feeling better. Thank you, scientist. And we can get some foods. And then I think we're gonna go hang out in Chrissy and Ben's giant suite for some reason they have. And get a little work done, do some editing, kind of talk shop, hang out. Then we're gonna stay another day here because this place is amazing. Legendary pizzas at Wicked Pizza Saloon, and I think we're gonna shut her down. It's been an excellent day. Food, friends, hikes, total hikes, good night of sleep from most of us, other than Brock trying to die. Fjord Loco got him lit, son. And we're gonna hang out just a little bit more, and then tomorrow morning try to find some more adventure. So, stay stronger, spread hate, always party.